Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create Google Forms like this. First of all, do copy paste this link in your browser. I am just pasting the copied link here. Click blank forms to get a new one. Here you can type the title of your form. I am just typing social media platforms. Here you can type your questions. I am just typing which social media platforms are you using. In this corner, you can see many options. I am just clicking check boxes here. You can start typing your answers like this. By clicking this icon, you can see the preview of your form. To add another question, click this plus sign. To change the color, you can press this icon. And here you can change the background color. Once you refresh, you can see the difference. Here you can see the responses. I am just typing another question here. Here you can see the difference. By clicking this delete icon, you can delete the questions. After completing, click this send button, go to this link and just copy the URL. You can share this now. Hope you understood how to create a Google form. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.